Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. Today I am going to present my analysis on WTI crude oil futures for the week of October 7, 2018. The WTI crude oil futures look very indecisive amid the various factors. I find that the WTI crude oil futures are very much affected by different noises with the Iranian sanctions. With the advent of sanctions over Iran, we have seen that still we are not able to see any cut in oil supplies. And on the other hand, US President Mr. Donald Trump has announced that he will provide some waivers to Iranian sanctions, which will bring a lot of relief for Iranian oils. Right now, I find that WTI crude oil is very much affected with the fear that over the several months there will not be enough oil available on the global market to fully satisfy customer demand. And the speculation is that the fear will push oil prices up to triple digit. It means more than $100 per barrel. Amid the different noises, I find that the overall trend of WTI crude oil futures will remain upward during the upcoming week. First, let us have a look at the movement of WTI crude oil in a daily chart. Friends, here you can see that after taking a sufficient support at 200 days moving average in a daily chart from the level of $65, WTI crude oil futures started a steep upward move, and here they found some resistance, but after coming a little downward, their uptrend journey continued once again, and still we can see that WTI crude oil futures moved with a steep move up to the level of $76, where they found their first resistance, and they came downward and finally closed on last Friday at the level of $74.34. Here you can see that still they are on a uptrend voyage. So I find that during the upcoming weeks, this uptrend voyage will be maintained by the WTI crude oil futures from this line to this line. No doubt that the volatile moves will be there, but our trend will look to be on the bullish side. So these are my resistance and support levels for WTI crude oil futures in a daily chart. So let us have a more clear look at the movement of WTI crude oil futures and the expected trading zone in a 4-hour chart. Here you can see that this is my uptrend voyage zone for the WTI crude oil futures. Here you can see that we have seen a gap up on September 22nd. Since then, WTI crude oil futures maintaining good consolidation before taking an upward directional move once again, and finally they reached at the level of $77, and on announcement of weekly inventory last week they came downward but found a lot of buying from these levels. No doubt that the WTI crude oil futures are currently still indecisiveness is there and a lot of volatility, but they have found a good support at the current levels, which may attract crude bulls to go long from the current levels once again to test the first resistance level at $77. No doubt that the whole week will remain too volatile due to different noises and the geopolitical move amid growing concerns for tariff trade war, which will impact the movement of WTI crude oil futures during the upcoming week. Now let us have a look at the same chart in a 1-hour chart pattern. I find WTI crude oil futures will try to remain in the range of $77 on the higher side and will find a good support at the level of $73. So this will be their movement zone, which will be very active, and once they break this upward trading zone, that will be their final decisive move before taking the final direction, which may be on either side. But I find that overall trend will be bullish during the upcoming weeks because WTI crude oil looks for the target of $80 during the upcoming week. So friends, be ready for 2 volatile sessions in WTI crude oil futures during the upcoming week. Thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.